Need to change your Apple Watch password? Well, look no further. It's super simple and you can do it in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple Watch passcode easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, grab your Apple Watch. Go to the Apps screen. Tap on the Settings apps. Now scroll down. Find the passcode. Tap on it. Now tap Change Passcode. Then enter the current passcode. Next, enter the new passcode. If you enter any simple passcode, it will warn you. If you still want to set the simple passcode, then tap Use Code. Now re-enter the passcode. And that's it. Your password has been changed. Hopefully it helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.